Okay, welcome to the Belly Up Bar. This is Friday, so I'm actually going to do two videos because I get to drink the drinks when I'm done. So we're going to make a front porch special. This is going to be something that you probably want to serve your friends at the front porch. I'm going to do a single so you can see the color and what I put in it, but probably you want to make this a little bit larger batch. The first thing we're going to do is get some fresh lemon. And what I do with the lemons, cut them down, and as you can see there might be some seeds in there, so I run a strainer over a Mai Tai glass. I use my thumb to push in to do the squeezing. That way I get some of the lemon oils. All right. They put the wax on these lemons to keep them from spoiling, so they're a bit slippery. A lot of people use the lemon squeezer. That works as well. I like this because I get the lemon oils everywhere. And as you can see, we got some lemon seeds. So I'm going to take these over to the sink and get rid of those. Right. Do not want a lemon seed in your cocktail. All right, this is a front porch special. So we're going to do 1.5 Captain Morgan Black. This is a really nice rum, spiced, 94.6 proof. So we'll do 1.5. And 1/4 of the Averna. Italian Amaro. And 1/4 of a white crème de cacao. It's a chocolate taste. 1/4. And 3/4 fresh lemon juice. Alright, and 1/4 of the red fassionola. I make this with grenadine syrup, handmade, raspberry syrup, and a little bit of orange extract, and then a dash of passion fruit syrup. So we need 1/4 of that. And a dash of good old Angostura. And like I say, there's no way this drink will last on the front porch. Shake this up, put it back in the Mai Tai glass. You got a beautiful dark rum drink, and I guarantee you that will go very fast on your front porch. So this is the recipe for it. So give it a try. Make plenty for your friends. Thanks for watching.